This is video 4, which is the 4th page of your booklet, and it is about writing a conclusion. So the conclusion, we're going to write it exactly the same pretty much as how we did the trend on the previous page. So if you've already done the trend one, then you'll be an expert already. So the first bit here, it says timing a toy car rolling along different surfaces. So we've got some information for surface A and also for surface B. So you can see by looking at the different distances that across both surfaces they've measured the same. They've got data for all the times for, all the distances for surface A, but for surface B they're missing a data point. So we have to kind of imagine what that one would be. Alright, so if we have a look here, we can say surface A had a maximum time of the toy car rolling along it of 105 seconds compared to, because they want us to compare between them, surface B, which had a maximum time of 205 seconds. So from that we can infer that surface B was probably more rough, which is what it says there, than surface A. So that toy cars will roll more smoothly and faster along smoother surfaces than rough surfaces. So if you wrote something to do with the toy car rolling faster along surface A because it was smooth than surface B because it was rough, then you're also correct. Having a look at experiment 2, investigating the temperature of a gas as air pressure increases. Okay, so we've got the temperatures along the bottom, so those are the independent variable, and then pressure along the side, so that is the dependent variable. So we can see here that this graph goes sharply upwards. So as temperature is increasing, because that's what's happening along the bottom here, the pressure is also going up because that's what these numbers are doing and that's the way the line is going. So we can say as temperature increases, so does the pressure. For example, it's always important to include an example and a conclusion because it helps get you extra marks. For example, at 75 degrees Celsius, the pressure is, if we go along, 300 PA, which means pascals. So it is 300 pascals.